Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy BNB on Coinbase. For that, I'm going to demonstrate the steps on coinbase.com, but you can even follow the same steps on Coinbase wallet or on your Coinbase exchange. So first of all, you need to come to coinbase.com and then you just have to click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to provide your email address and then your password, and after the successful verification of your phone number, you just have to simply log in into your Coinbase account. After that, you just have to complete any necessary identity verification if prompted. This may involve uploading an ID and verifying your phone number. Afterwards, you need to add a payment method. So in order to do that, you need to go to the settings and select the payment methods. Then you need to add a bank account or a credit card or a debit card to fund your purchases. Next, you need to navigate to the portfolio section and select deposit and choose your preferred payment method to transfer the funds into your Coinbase account. Now, in order to purchase BNB, you need to simply search for BNB, and then once you are able to find BNB, you just have to simply tap on that asset. Click on BNB from the search result to go to its trading page. On the BNB trading page, you need to click on buy. Then you need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to purchase or the amount of your local currency you want to send. Then you need to review the transaction details including fees. In order to confirm the purchases, you need to click buy now to confirm your purchase. The BNB will be added into your Coinbase wallet once the transaction is completed. Now go to portfolio section to see your newly acquired BNB. So this is how you can successfully purchase BNB on Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.